What is up guys, none of this sides. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Airtable to your n8n. So first you need to head over to n8n's website and then you need to create a new workflow. And after that, you need to click on this plus icon and then search for Airtable. After searching, you need to click on this Airtable and then let's say I want to choose get many bases. After that, I'll click on select credential and then click on create new credentials. Now I want the access token, and to get the access token here in the new tab, you need to just simply type in airtable.com/create/tokens. After that, here you will be redirected to the window of personal access token. From here, click on create token, and after that name your token. And after naming your token, here you need to add a scope, and after that you just need to verify your email. I currently can't due to some network issues. And after verifying your email, here you will see the button to create token. Click on this create token button and then a new token will be generated. So just copy that token, add back to n8n, and then just simply paste it here and then click on save to save it. So this is how you can connect your n8n to Airtable. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.